sut klem da yo jingmun pai ga bang siu sut ni di ban yo jingmun pai ong
Ka Center of Medical and Sales Representatives Union Northeast Region kala Pynlong ya ka Jingiakhih bashisngi ha Shillong hinekasngi pan Pyrshah halor ka jingmi ka sarkar pedeng ya ki Kyndon Treikam bathamai President Jingiakhih Shillong upatha dep ulapan pau ba ka seng ka yoi ya kani ka an bathamai kum ka jingma ya ka hok ba jingyada jongkinong tre ki balas lembha ula kunturu ya ka sarkar bakan wengno ya ki Southly ki Kyndon Treikam da ka babanjur bagi Pyrshah kidang yai beteng na ki nong tre hakeleng kari kani ka seng kala IT khatwi teli ki jingdawa sya ka sarkar ban pha bakin perkhat biang ya kani ka jingpan kala
We have an objection for this labor laws which the government is up to now. They are trying to scrap those laws which has been given to us in long back with all the fights and all which we have achieved. Now they are into the government is trying to make it in a code form, in food code, which is always against our labor. Like we consider ourselves to be a workman and workmen in that case we say that it is against us. The government should not scrap the labor laws and should not implement this four code. So we oppose that four code that government is trying to implement now.
Ka Federation of Khasi Giant and Garo People and ka FK